Despite no signs of the outbreak coming under control, the Supreme Court of Pakistan has ordered malls to open in the country, hearing a corona suo motu case. A 5-member bench of the top court chose to open all markets in the entire country, be it the small ones or even the big ones, including the malls. Now, the Commissioner of Karachi had argued that 70% of people go to malls only for enjoyment purposes. But he has now been barred from sealing shops, pointing out that only small markets have been opened so far. The court also asked if they are open, then what's the point in closing shopping malls? And due to Eid festivities, they've been ordered to open over the weekend as well. The court said that small business owners, instead of dying from corona, will end up dying from hunger. Pakistan's coronavirus cases crossed 40,000 on Sunday. (1,352) new infections were detected in 24 hours, while the death toll in the country went up to 873, with nearly 40 more in a single day. However, the Pakistan government has relaxed the lockdown restrictions. Most of the country has been opened up for businesses. For more details, let's quickly go across to our correspondent Anas Malik, who's joining us live from Islamabad. Anas, what has prompted the Pak Top Court to announce this decision despite the rising number of cases in Pakistan?
Well, Akansha, the Pakistani Supreme Court has been listening to a suo motu case with regards to the measures that have been taken to combat coronavirus and its impact on the Pakistani economy. There seems to be some audio issues. Having said that, the Pakistani Supreme Court has said that today, while hearing the case, the Supreme Court has said that it has remarked that all the markets should be opened up immediately, given the economic problems that the common man are facing, that the laborers are facing, the daily wagers are facing. They have also said that there is no point of closing down markets on weekends because it is a violation of the fundamental rights as enshrined in the Article 4, 18 and 25 of the Pakistani Constitution. They've also asked to open up malls. The Pakistani Supreme Court had asked for data, comparative data from the Ministry of Health, and the Ministry of Health had apprised the government, the court, that about 1,000 people die yearly because of pollen allergy in Islamabad. Additionally, there are thousands of deaths because of other cases as well. Therefore, the resources should be utilized and not diverted. Therefore, they should be utilized effectively on other problems as well and other diseases as well. That is what the Supreme Court's pretext was. The Supreme Court said that there was no point of closing down markets and malls. It also remarked that has, quote unquote, has coronavirus told the government or told the authorities that it will not strike over the weekend. It has said that to open up the malls, and additionally, the Supreme Court has also asked the NDMA to come up with revised directions with regards to the effective utilization of resources, given that about 25 billion Pakistani rupees have been allocated. The Supreme Court believes that the pandemic is not as serious as it is in other parts of the world. It's not as serious in Pakistan as we speak. This despite 42,000 cases are now in the country. More than 900 deaths have been reported. It has also instructed the federal government to assist the provinces in order to open up the markets and in order to open up public spaces so that daily wagers and the common man could be facilitated. Yes,
absolutely.
Akansha.
Thank you so much, Anas, for bringing us all those details. Considering it is the time of Eid, Eid is round the corner. Of course, Pakistanis are going to be